Ang ganda ng moon lights. Kita nyo yun? Airplane. I love you. The moon, the moon. Here's the view. Paggabi. Nandito ako sa attic, guys. It's already 9 o'clock. 10. Ayan, 10 o'clock. Dahil hindi pa ako inaantok. Tapos yung kaibigan ko, guys, sabi niya, tingnan yung moon. There is the moon. There. Hi, moon. Yan yung baba namin, kapitbahay.